Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to give you simple but best steps to resolve this issue. The following feature could not be installed. First of all, you go to search and search for services, then you double click it. When it opens, scroll until you see Windows Update. Scroll until you see Windows Update. When you see Windows Update, you have to double click it so that it can open. Here it is. Then I double click. Make sure here manual is selected. After that, then you apply and hit OK. Then you close. Then we go back to search and search for control panel. Control panel. Make sure the size or the view is by category. Then you hit programs features. Then you go with the second option. Then you expand the first one. Sorry, to expand the second one. The first one. Then you check those two boxes under the first option. Then you say OK. Then it will load to save changes. There we go. Then you can close this window. Then after this process, you have to restart your device so that those changes can take place. After restarting, you have to come back and try to install the framework. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss out